Welcome! In front of me I have HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can log out from your Gmail account. So the first, you have to open your Gmail. As you can see, I'm logged in with 2 accounts and I would like to remove one of them. For example, you have to tap on the right upper corner, click to manage accounts on this device and pick account that you want to get rid of. I'm going for the first one. Click to remove, confirm. And after a few moments, when we go back for our Gmail, you can spot that we are only logged in with one account. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.